Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, Introduction to Cryptocurrencies, Chapter 1, How to Buy and Store Cryptocurrencies. In this part of our course, we'll cover the essential steps for buying and storing cryptocurrencies securely. The first step to acquiring cryptocurrencies is choosing a reputable exchange. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken are popular choices, each offering a variety of cryptocurrencies for purchase. To get started, you'll need to create an account on the exchange. This involves providing some personal information and verifying your identity to comply with regulations. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund it. Most exchanges allow you to deposit fiat money, such as dollars or euros, using various payment methods like bank transfers or credit or debit cards. After your account is funded, you can use these funds to purchase cryptocurrencies. Simply navigate to the trading section of the exchange, select your desired cryptocurrency, and execute the trade. After purchasing cryptocurrencies, securing them is crucial. You have two main options for storage: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are digital wallets that are connected to the internet. They are convenient for frequent transactions and can be accessed via mobile apps or desktop applications. However, because they are online, they are more susceptible to hacking attempts. Popular examples include Coinbase Wallet and MetaMask. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline storage solutions that offer enhanced security against online threats. The most common cold wallets are hardware wallets like Ledger Nano S and Trezor. These devices store your private keys offline and require physical access to use, making them much less vulnerable to cyber attacks. In addition to using secure wallets, it's important to follow best practices for security. This includes using strong, unique passwords for your exchange and wallet accounts, enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security, and keeping a backup of your wallet's recovery phrase in a safe place. By taking these precautions, you can help protect your digital assets from theft and loss. Understanding cryptocurrency mining. Now, let's delve into cryptocurrency mining, a critical process that underpins many digital currencies. Mining involves validating transactions and adding them to a blockchain, a decentralized ledger that records all transactions within a cryptocurrency network. This process is vital for maintaining the network's integrity and ensuring that transactions are accurate and secure. In a proof-of-work (PW) system, such as the one used by Bitcoin, mining requires solving complex mathematical problems. These problems are designed to be difficult to solve, but easy to verify once solved. Miners use powerful computers to compete in solving these problems, and the first one to solve the problem gets to add a new block of transactions to the blockchain. In return, they receive a reward in the form of newly minted cryptocurrency and transaction fees from the transactions included in the block. This process requires significant computational power and energy, making it resource-intensive. However, not all cryptocurrencies use proof-of-work. Some, like Ethereum 2.0 and Cardano, use proof-of-stake (POS) mechanisms instead. In a POS system, validators are chosen to create new blocks and confirm transactions based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. This method is more energy efficient compared to POW, as it doesn't require massive amounts of computational power. Validators are selected randomly or based on their stake, and they earn rewards for their participation. Both POW and POS systems aim to secure the network and incentivize participation, but they differ in their approach to achieving consensus and maintaining security. Understanding these mechanisms helps you appreciate the underlying technology that supports cryptocurrency networks and the trade-offs involved in different consensus models.